Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to send pictures via Yahoo Mail. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on any browser and log in your Yahoo account. Kahit anong browser yung gamitin natin sa pag-login ng ating account ay pwede po siya, like Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, or Chrome browser ay pwede po. And the next step ay open lang natin ng ating Chrome with browser. And then once nakapag-login ka na, ganito yung makikita mo dito sa Yahoo homepage. And then dito lang sa upper right side, makikita mo dito yung Yahoo Mail icon. So i-click mo lang yan. At madadirect tayo dito sa ating Yahoo Mail inbox. Okay, so dito lang sa left side menu, and then kailangan mo lang iselect dito yung compose. So itap mo lang yan. And then kung paano ba tayo mag-send ng picture sa ating email. So dito lang sa baba ay kailangan mo lang iselect dito yung paperclip icon. So itap mo lang yan. And then makikita mo dito yung dalawang options na attach files from recent emails or attach files from computer. And then select mo lang dito yung attach files from computer, and then tap lang natin yan. And then pop up ito mga kaibigan kung saan tayo kukuha ng ating pictures para i-attach natin or i-send. Okay, so select lang natin dito yung picture. So select mo ganyan, right click, and select mo lang dito yung select at wait natin. Alright, so makikita mo na dito na na-add na yung pictures natin. Okay, so pwede ka na mag-send dito. So lagay mo lang dito to kung saan masisend yung picture natin. So for example, dito sa ating send email. And then pwede ka rin maglagay dito ng subject or dito naman sa baba. And then next step ay, kailangan mo lang itap tong Z. So click mo lang siya. And then do you want to send this message? And then click mo lang dito yung Z. Ayan, so your message has been sent. And the next step, so refresh lang tayo. And then dito na siya. So open lang natin yung email. Ayan, so makikita mo na dito yung sinend natin na pictures. Okay? So ganoon lang po kasimple on how to send pictures on Yahoo Mail. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.